Hi friends, hope all of you are doing well. Today I want to add value to your ideas and thoughts about how to build and sustain good relations with everyone. So you may be knowing a lot of points, but try to get certain boost and new ideas. Having good relationships, it is understood by some research studies that having good relationships allows your mind to become more powerful, so therefore more learning, more openness, and then you will be healthier and live longer. And it is not only in your personal life, but also in your career and business, the good relationships help you. So therefore, it is necessary for you, for anyone, to understand it well, as much better as possible, and use it for your growth and happiness. Yeah, let us come to the points. The first one, of course, the base is keep smiling. Smile is the base to win the other person's heart. Anytime, every time. Okay. The first one is appreciate others at every possible situation. In fact, a lot of people do not think twice to criticize for every small possible opportunity. That is not a good idea. So, better to appreciate in every possible situation or opportunity. Actually, thanks to the internet and social media, nowadays with the advent of WhatsApp and Facebook, etc., there are a lot of people giving appreciation to the others by likes and comments. That's a good thing. Of course, see before you give a like. Don't like somebody's message. Like the joke when a person has posted in the Facebook that yesterday when I was going to the office, I fell down on the steps, and he got 40 likes immediately. So don't do such things. Okay. Now, other common things are be punctual, stick to your time. When you give a time, be always on time. For whatever it may be a get together, it may be going to a movie, whatever, wherever, always. Just make it a habit. And then meet your commitments. Once you give a word for anything, so maybe you want to give some financial support or you want to do anything. So once you give a word, you have to maintain it. Pran jaye par vachan na jaye. Or you know the famous dialogue in the movies. Once I give a commitment, I don't even listen to myself. That's a good idea actually. And be honest and sincere in all dealings, especially with money related. So we may be thinking it's okay, I will repay you if not this month, next month. Though we might have told that we will repay in this month. But others will not think like that. It is not okay for a lot of people in the world for people creating problems in money matters. So be very careful in money related matters. Okay? Then be a giver, not a taker. So always keep upper hand. The more you give to the universe, the more universe will give back to you. So always try to be a giver, whether it is your words or your guidance or any support. And also actually develop the ability to help. Helping nature is very important. It is an interesting and very significant principle to make lot of friends. So always remember to help others. Of course, you can use technology to build new friendships and nurture them through social media. Don't hesitate. Don't worry too much whether somebody is going to take away something from you. Okay, then celebrate all important dates and occasions. Be a part of that. It is always a good idea to celebrate every possible occasion. And try to host some family get-togethers. So you go one step forward to offer your host. Don't let the old thoughts of being competitive, conjuicy, jealousy, tit for tat, etc. Keep away all such negative thoughts, negative thinking. So develop positive thinking. Okay. Now these are all the various strategies, tips you can use to build new relations as well as sustain every relation, whether it is your spouse or family or friends. Respect everybody. Give them space. Agree to disagree. You need not try to prove your own point as right. So let others' opinions are allowed and respected. Give them some space. Do not go for arguments. Go for discussions. Okay? All the best. Have healthy and great relations. Thank you. Bye bye.